day, opening at $4.95, reaching a high of $13.20, and closing at $3.83, down 4.25% from the previous close. Post-market trading shows an even sharper drop to $2.85, down 25.58%. Factors that may influence a rebound. 1. High volatility. The stock had a significant price swing, indicating strong speculative interest. 2. Post-market drop. A sharp decline in after-hours trading may signal continued selling pressure tomorrow. 3. IPO hype versus reality. Many IPOs experience a big initial jump followed by a correction. If there was hype behind this stock, it may stabilize and recover, but that depends on demand. 4. Trading volume. 8.93 million shares traded today, suggesting significant market interest. 5. Market sentiment. Broader market trends, e.g. Dow Jones up 0.56%, could impact investor sentiment tomorrow. Will it bounce back? If buyers step in at a perceived discount, it could rebound. If more selling pressure persists, it may drop further. The stock Topw, Topw International, likely experienced multiple volatility trading halts today due to extreme price swings. Based on the chart and numbers, possible reasons for the halts. 1. Limit up, limit down, LULD rule. The stock surged to $13.20 at one point, over 3x its opening price of $4.95, and then dropped sharply. Exchanges halt stocks if they move beyond certain volatility thresholds within a short period. 2. IPO volatility. Newly listed stocks often experience extreme fluctuations as early investors take profits and new traders speculate on momentum. 3. Circuit breakers for large drops. Since the stock fell significantly, closing down to a 4.25%, then dropping 25.8% post-market, it may have triggered downside trading halts to prevent panic selling. 4. Unusual volume and trading activity. With 8.93 million shares traded, the stock likely attracted heavy attention, possibly from retail traders or algo trading, triggering halts as liquidity fluctuated. Yes, 30-minute trading halts are quite unusual, especially multiple times in a single session. Most halts due to volatility under the limit up, limit down LULD rule typically last 5 to 10 minutes before trading resumes. Possible reasons for extended 30-minute halts. 1. Regulatory concerns. If an exchange or the SEC suspects irregular trading activity, such as manipulation, false orders, or spoofing, they may impose longer halts for investigation. 2. IPO-specific issues. Sometimes new IPOs face order imbalance or liquidity issues, leading to longer halts. If the stock had extreme buy-sell pressure with no matching orders, trading could be paused for longer. 3. Pending news disclosure. If the company or regulators needed to release material news, like insider transactions, offering changes, a halt could extend beyond the usual LULD limit. 4. Technical glitches or exchange issues. Rarely, exchange-related technical failures or misconfigured circuit breakers can lead to prolonged halts. Technical analysis of Topw, Topw International IPO day performance. Key data from IPO day. Open, $4.95, high, $13.20, low, thrifty close, $3.83, minus 4.25%, post-market, $2.80, 25.58%, volume, 8.93 million shares, turnover ratio, 335.32%, extremely high, indicating heavy trading activity. Support and resistance levels. 1. Immediate resistance, $4, previous close, and $5 opening price. 2. Major resistance, $13 high. 3. Immediate support, $3.50, intraday low. 4. Critical support, $2.85, post-market low. If this breaks, the downtrend may continue. Indicators and trends. 1. Extreme volatility. The stock had a massive 166% intraday swing, $3.50 to $13.20. It closed near the day's low, signaling bearish sentiment and possible further downside. 2. Bearish close and post-market weakness. Closing near lows and the 25.58% post-market drop suggests selling pressure isn't over yet. If pre-market action tomorrow stays below $3.50, more downside is likely. 3. Volume analysis. High volume at open and early spike, possible retail FOMO buying. Heavy selling pressure into close and after-hours drop, early investors likely taking profits or fear-driven selling. Possible scenarios for tomorrow. Bullish case, rebound possible if Strong support at $2.85 to $3.50 holds. Buyers step in pre-market or early in the session. Positive news or hype returns, e.g. short squeeze potential. Target levels if bullish, $4, yesterday's close. $5 psychological resistance, $6.50 to $7, midway to IPO high. Hatch bearish case, further drop if it fails to hold $3.50 and $2.85 support levels. Weak buying pressure with more sell-offs at open. Negative news, lockup selling or dilution fears emerge. Target levels if bearish, $2.50 psychological sub $2, critical round number. Below $2 could signal a complete breakdown. Final thoughts, high risk, high reward. Extreme volatility can lead to a big bounce or further crash. Watch pre-market action. If volume is low and price trends downward, it may continue selling off. Caution on re-entry. If considering a bounce play, look for confirmation with volume and price action near $3.50, $4. As of the latest available data, Topw International Halted, Topw, is trading at $3.83 per share. Currently, there is no new information regarding pre-market trading activity for Topw on April 3, 2025. For the most accurate and up-to-date information, I recommend checking real-time financial news platforms or brokerage services that offer live market data as the pre-market session progresses.